Jenny was here when we had a band on the show, and she was supposed to date the sax player. Now I've forgotten all the details because for a while you guys playing phone tag and then nothing
Yes.
happened. And we did this thing like, okay, ask him out,
Well, the band was
ask her out,
band was Funk to Death, right?
funk to death.
Yeah, and
which is don't say it fast.
I think it was funky to death.
Funky to Death. My
Funky
bad.
Yeah,
to
don't
death.
even say it fast.
My
Don't
bad.
say it fast in your head even. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop. I hear you.
Well, the story was that Jen had just been on a horrible date, and she came in to tell the horrible story of this guy who didn't know how to treat a lady on a date.
And yes, and so the sax player was listening to her say that and said, "Yeah, I'd go out with her." Jen is, I guess, you're unlucky in love,
I think I might be.
even though you're a beautiful blonde in your
Thank you.
20s.
Yep.
Younger 20s,
26.
26, mid. That's
Mid-
younger.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all younger 20s until about 28 and a half, aren't they?
Right.
Yeah, and then things start growing on you.
Yeah.
It's
What
So-
kind of things?
weird
I know.
things. And you start waking up going, ow, what did I do yesterday? Did I walk into a wall? But you didn't. You were
Oh,
just
no.
living life. Yeah, it's
So
terrible.
I don't know if this is accurate still, and I don't know about today's youth too much. My boys just came through that age. One of them's married. The other one's touring the country doing comedy. God knows what's going on. But I remember at that age, 25, 26, it's almost a biological imperative that you pair up. All your friends are pairing up.
Yep.
All of your some of your friends paired up and are having babies by now, right?
Yep. Couple.
Those are that's
That's overachieving.
that's old school.
Yeah, that's overachieving at this day and age.
Because in this day and age, I think you have your first baby right around 30.
42.
42.
No.
It's
42.
probably ahead of than that's right. No, people's lives nowadays, there's so much to do that they postpone things like girls used to, 18, 19. It's like, come on, when are you going to get married? My
because-
parents married at 21.
Right.
Had me within 9 months and then popped out 8 children. Yeah, I know.
Well,
The look on your face says it all.
yeah, but
So-
but biologically, we used to have children in our late teens. That was the way life worked.
Well, biologically,
right.
mid-teens was
Right.
caveman, right?
100 years ago.
Right.
Not even
In fact,
cavemen.
Woody Allen would have been normal in caveman times.
His bride would
looking
have
at
been.
Soon
He
Yi.
still would have been the village elder.
Perfectly normal.
Right.
Perfectly
Right.
normal.
Nothing weird
Perv
about
with a
that.
B.
Well,
So
just because kids don't launch and they're in their late 20s when they're getting started doesn't mean that's the right time to have kids.
I don't know when that is, but so you're in this, and so what's the problem? What's
your problem?
What is the problem?
I know. I need to figure it out.
Okay.
I work a lot. I think that's part of my problem.
Married to your career.
Kind of.
Yeah, and you're a good PR person.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're good at it. You got all the right skills, and you do have the look. You know that. That helps.
Thank you.
But so the sax player, and again, if I were just like an insurance company going by the actuarial tables, I would say stay away from musicians of all ilk.
You would say so, yeah.
I would say so,
Certainly.
just generally speaking. But individual musicians may be a great catch or a
And
great
if you're
find.
going to pick something out of a band, better than a lead singer or a guitar player,
Yeah.
right? The sax player, I would think.
Oh yeah, I mean he could be the next Kenny G.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never know. So, and what was his name?
Peter.
Peter. So it happened. You did go out with him.
We did last week.
All
Yes.
right. And the deal was you would let us know
Yep. I'd
whether there
report
was
back.
anything there. Something there?
I think he's a very nice guy.
Nope,
and it was-
nothing there.
Hi, Jenny. Thanks for coming in. Good to see you.
Is he finding out right now where he stands, by the way? Have you
I
had
don't
the
think, by the
decency
way,
to tell
there's
him?
any guy good enough for Jenny. Her career is so important to her that guys are just like, she's just flipping through them the way you would look through a card catalog at a library going, nah, I don't want to do that.
By the way, there's nothing wrong with not needing somebody.
I agree.
That worked out great for me.
For how long? Till 30?
Till it was done. Till I met someone that I
Yeah.
could be with, and I didn't need any. You run into a problem when you need someone to take you out to dinner.
Well, that's if
need
you listen
be
to
with
too much
someone.
music. You need
Yes.
because all those
Need.
music is about need. Can't live without you.
No
need
need.
somebody.
Don't
Yeah.
need.
So this is fine. What love songs do you like on the radio?
Love songs.
Any? None, probably.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't
Yeah.
know any specific ones, I guess.
Wrecking Ball.
Right.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, you big Miley Cyrus fan, aren't you?
Yeah.
You do like that, don't you?
Everybody likes it.
I like singing in the car.
It's a
yeah.
great song.
Me
By the way,
too. Yeah.
I saw the video for the first time because I was just on vacation for a couple of days,
Yeah.
and
What do you think?
Well, first off, there's no nudity in it.
Yes, there is.
She's naked, but there's nothing is shown.
My God, you should have been a lawyer. You really missed your call.
Side boob is not boob.
Okay.
It's on the side.
Okay.
Side boob. There's side boob. But brilliant young lady with a spectacular career. The song itself is a smash, and so is what the Wrecking Ball does during the song.
Darby loves the song, hates the video. She's 9. When we hear the song, we listen to Kiss 106, we listen to our station, all that's what's on in my car every time she's in the car, and she loves the song. But she saw the video, and she goes, "Why does she have to be in her underwear? Why can't she just sing her song?"
Well, that's because she's 9.
I know.
That's a good answer, right?
Explain to
Yeah.
Darby.
Don't be too proud of that. She's saying that when
Sweetheart, you
she's
gotta
9.
get up to speed.
By
you
the
wanna
way-
make the big dollars. You gotta get out there.
Miley Cyrus at 9 would have said the same thing.
Right.
Well,
Well,
hey,
she
I'm
was
wearing
little-
my Musketeer outfit. Why
she
would
was
that
little
girl have to?
Hannah
Why does
Montana.
Britney have to play with a snake at the MTV
Right,
Awards?
right,
I'm
right.
sure she
That's
said the same
exactly
thing.
what she said.
So
snake.
anyway, back to you. So sax player, no go. What happened?
Well, we went out to dinner. It was a very nice dinner. We went to the Blind Pig.
Oh, yeah.
And
The
he picked
Blind
me up-
Pig?
Yep. In
Joe, is that a place
Eastlake.
you're familiar with?
It's very
No,
good.
but I want to get to know it.
It's a nicer restaurant. None of you
Yeah.
idiots
Yeah,
would
it's
know
probably
about.
a
it.
little too fancy.
Yes.
Joe would go to a place like the Blind Pig and go, "You're kidding me, right?
That's where they
That's not-
blindfold you and put
That's
a
a
plate of
portion?
food in
Yeah.
front of you. Yeah.
It's,
Okay,
it's
which
a
one's
restaurant.
big?
Yeah.
What do they serve there?
It's kind of bistro style. So we had duck. I've never had duck before. I'm allergic.
He was
to-
trying to impress you.
He was. He did a really good job. I
I have never been to a bistro yet that gives you enough. Bistro means small.
Small.
It does. It does.
And you don't need a guy. Like you could go on without a guy for a while, right?
a while.
Have you? How long have you gone? Like, do you date someone for a long time? You have
Yeah.
a boyfriend for a long time,
Yeah,
and then
and then it ends, and then I don't go.
how,
on
what's your
dates.
usual in between? Like you swear off all men for how long?
I don't know. Well, I dated
Month or two?
someone for 4 years, and then we broke up, and I didn't date anyone for a year, and then I dated a guy for a couple months, and then we broke up. And
Yeah, okay.
so now I'm back on the market.
You had a year off.
I did have a year off.
You're
Good
off.
times.
Yeah, it was a great time.
Now is that a year off, no dates, or a year no dates, no? Right.
None of your business.
Yeah.
None of your business.
You're of none of your
second
business.
dates.
No second dates. Yes.
All right. Peter is on the phone. Peter, what was your perception of how it went?
Well, I had a good time. I had fun.
He's calling to propose.
All right. So Jenny, what you said something didn't go well. What was it? And then, but are you going to go on a second date? That's the question.
That's the question. I would go out with him again because he was awesome and I had a good time, but I just don't think there's anything there. I don't think there'd be like a third date, a romantic third date.
That's
You know,
very responsible.
And third is the romantic
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
It's very responsible.
very, because you don't want to drag it out.
Exactly.
In other words, you can buy her dinner again.
Right. But once you're standing on third, you can score in a number of ways.
Yeah.
Sack fly, wild pitch, pass ball. Lots of ways to score
Yeah.
after you've landed on third.
But she wants to lower your expectations. But that sounds to me like the door is open a crack, but a very small crack.
Well, I mean, heck, that's better now is, this whole thing is kind of weird for me. So
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a little bit. And I'm
How
a
so?
little weirded out that I'm on the radio again, to be honest with you.
Yeah. I'll bet.
What's that?
I'll bet. So, hey, but you have nothing to lose, and you had a good time, right?
I had a great time, absolutely.
And then next time after the date, I want to interview you, not Jenny,
Right. Perfect.
if that's okay.
We'll have to see about that.
Because we got to get to the bottom of this because I think that someone wants her paired up.
On Millionaire Matchmaker, she interviews them both. So
Right.
you should always
Yeah.
talk to them both.
And you can scale it down from Blind Pig on the second date because this is it. So go
You don't have to go to a
Yeah,
fancy
exactly,
restaurant.
country
Yeah.
buffet
We
or
know that
whatever.
taco truck.
Right?
Olive
Country
Garden's good.
buffet.
They
Yeah,
got the
pick a
endless
taco
breadsticks.
truck, give it a shot. All right, yes, Pedro.
I gotta ask this question. I'm sorry, but was it a kiss?
Well, if there were, I don't think I'd say it.
What a gentleman.
He doesn't kiss and tell.
Jenny was like, bye. See you later.
Yeah, what did you say at the end of the night?
Tell it to the
She will
hand.
say.
He did. He planted one on me. I'll give him that.
Well, apparently, she'll say it.
But
Where?
his seed could find no purchase, as they said.
Was it from here to here, or was it from here to here?
above the shoulders.
Touch
Above the
doll.
shoulders is good.
Touch the doll. Show us where.
All right. All right. Well, good luck to you two. When's the next
Thank
date? Let's just set it up.
Maybe this week.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of my schedule. Maybe Wednesday.
All right. And
Maybe in December.
your mind is still, there's a part of your mind that's always open. See
Oh,
how
yeah,
it goes.
absolutely.
All right. It takes a while. By the way, guys, I think it takes a long time to get to know people. I sometimes have a first impression of someone that's not good. And sometimes that's right. And it's like, oh, yeah, stay away, even in business or whatever. And then sometimes after a while, especially like if you get to know someone, watch how they act around other people. So you should really like get someone to do surveillance on
Yes,
it.
follow him for a
Oh my
while.
God.
You should all.
This is the
And then you can
ingredient.
learn a lot.
Do you remember the end of the movie when Harry met Sally? It's full of testimonials. I couldn't stand him. I never did. The minute
Yeah.
I looked at him, this is the last thing I want to do. And they've been together 50 years.
So it could be a good sign.
That's true.
A lot of women who don't pair up with anybody keep letting Mr. Right get away until they find someone that's like,
Perfect.
Well,
Their soulmate.
A cat?
is Mr. Not Right again.
Yes.
So, all right, Peter, a very nice guy. Thank you for subjecting yourself to this torture.
I wouldn't call it torture, but thank you very much.
But we are dangling a pretty good prize, as it were. As they say you're in the prize business.
Yeah.
All right, hang on a sec. All right, you guys go out again and tell us how it goes.
Okay.
He's not eliminated,
No.
but you're lowering his expectation.
Yes.
Good to do.
Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, my wife lowered my expectations.
Really?
Absolutely.
Go on.
When we first dated,
Uh-huh.
she was like, "You're not getting into this.
And you said,
She pointed. You're not getting any
Show
of
me
this.
on
See
the
this?
doll." Yeah.
None of this.
that's a challenge.
Oh, and
I'm willing
I
to
was like,
accept.
"Wow! Now I have to have it."
Right.
So that's good. You don't know what you're
Thank
doing.
you.
Oh my God! I can see the playbook.
And of course, you're not getting into this could actually also mean
Right.
you're not getting into this.
Your wife
Like-
was quickest to see that you guys were meant for each other, though,
Oh,
right?
she said the first day she saw me, she said, "I'm going to marry that guy."
And yet outwardly, she said, "You're not getting any of this."
Not getting any.
But remember when I took a flight lesson, she said, "You're not going to have a plane."
Oh, that's right. Look at you.
Everything I've ever had in my life, she's first said no to.
With Lisa, no means yes. Boys do not take this as a general
Well,
rule.
no means. And by the way, this is that's an interesting topic in itself because obviously, no sometimes means no.
Thank you.
To be politically correct about it,
Thank you,
but
Bob.
If we have to.
but no often means wait.
This wisdom brought to you by State Farm.
Right.
And the Washington Correctional
And,
Youth.
and it's a lot of, I tell you what, I hate to make a comparison to training a dog, but it really is a lot like training a dog.
And you're the dog in this
You know
scenario.
what the hardest thing to
Okay?
I
Let's
am
just
the
be
dog.
clear.
Do you know what the hardest thing to train a dog is?
To drive a car?
No? Well, that's pretty hard. But I'll tell you what's the hardest thing. Who here has ever taught a dog to stay?
I have.
Stay?
I'm not a dog owner.
You ever taught a dog to stay?
I have. It's been a while. But,
And how do you teach a dog to stay? Go ahead.
well, you promise them a treat. if
First
they
you have a
stay.
treat, and the
Right.
dog goes ape, you
Right,
know
right,
what.
right. He's got
you-
me.
And then
Try
you
to
have
put
to
out your hand like a stop sign or
Right.
whatever sign you want to make it. That's mine. Stay.
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 You're not getting,
Right.
basically you're saying, you're not getting
Right,
this.
and then you back away.
But what you're
slowly.
saying is, you're not getting it right now.
Right, right. it takes a while.
I see the connection.
You have to be a
Yeah, you-
good boy.
Right.
Yeah,
He's
put your hand
a
up,
good
you back
boy.
away
Is that a little bit of what you're
slowly.
doing?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so.
that's it. Absolutely.
One hand is the stop sign, the other hand you're dangling.
And then what do you
a
do?
Little goodie.
And then when you're training the dog to stay, what do? You walk away slowly, and he
Right.
wants to follow you.
Yeah.
You go, no,
Say
Okay.
no.
stay.
And then when you get a suitable distance away, you go.
You go, okay, boy, and you let him jump
Yeah,
on you.
there you go.
Right. And you rub his belly.